Welcome, much peace to everybody out there. So I'm really coming through with some crazy breaking news in Australia. It's probably only a couple of hours old, but it seems that the former Archbishop of the Catholic Church in Australia has now, George Pell has now had all his charges of sexual molestation quashed by the highest court and basically pardoned from his charges and convictions removed. Uh, it's been quite an ongoing case. Um, the actual alleged situation took place, of molestation took place in 1960, 61, I think. We could just have a look here. So, in June 2002, Pell was accused by a Melbourne man of having sexually abused a 12-year-old boy at a Catholic youth camp in 1961 when he was a young seminarian. So, this was in his up-and-coming days within the church. The alleged incident took place. Now, there was two victims which were heard in front of the court, to my knowledge. Unfortunately, the first victim, well, one of them has actually committed suicide subsequent to these events, um, pre-commencement of the trial. So then also the other individual did not want his actual identity to be put out in the public. So it was kind of he, he was given a pseudonym. Uh, Basically, look, I mean, people can do their own little bit of research into the proceedings of the court case because it was for a long time, and basically, as I said, it's gotten to the point now where it reached the High Court, so it went through the magistrate level, which is our first level of court, which then he was convicted and found guilty of these charges, through then which his legal team have proceeded to appeal, and which subsequently went to the appeals court, and was heard, and once again the conviction and charges remained of guilty. So and then basically this was a period of 400 days approximately he had been incarcerated. Uh, Now, from the appellant court, he has taken another appeal to the High Court, and this is now subsequently would have been the final, and is the final ruling. Uh, so, and as it turns out, basically he has been acquitted at that highest level. So it comes as quite a shock, as I'm sure, to all the alleged the victims, the family members, and all involved in these proceedings. Some may say that it's basically um, reopening a wound, for which they may have found some closure uh, during the proceedings and his incarceration. But it's obviously they'll have got some new matters and terms to deal with now, as he is free. But yeah, this is breaking news. As I said, it's just sort of come out. We'll have to see what happens in the next few days and the coming months. Um, but yeah, I just thought I wanted to put that out there. It seems it's quite, I guess, yeah. It's, as I said, it was shocking news to me in this time, and something that I didn't really, want to let sort of fly under the radar. I guess with all the information which is going around about such viruses, this is something which should be at the forefront of people's attention. So yes, it's kind of an impromptu, informal, unprepared stream, but yeah, just basically wanted to get that info out. So I'll definitely keep updated too. And thanks for watching, and hope you guys keep safe, keep clean. look inside yourself, find your direction, and follow that pathway. Be the best you can be, man. Follow your intuition. That's all we can hope for. So much peace and thanks again.